Let me give you a scenario. Let's say you're at the flying field. You're 45, 60 minutes from your house. You've just worked all week, and what little time you had that you weren't sleeping or trying to sleep, you're getting that plane fixed that you just spent, all week fixing from the last time you flew, which you crashed into the ground trying to show off your knife edge 3 feet off the ground, and then turn into 3 feet into the ground, and you're out there and you're all ready to fly, get all your batteries charged, maybe with your buddies, and you're all about to fly, and then you realize that servo mount came loose, horn came out, hinge came loose, or there's a big crack in the wing, and you're like, maybe I can just tape it or just fly it, it'll be okay. And then you end up crashing it anyways because the crack turned into a complete failure, and the servo comes loose, and you crash it to the trees, and you spend the next 2 hours trying to fish it out, and then you don't have a plane to fly. What if, rather than taking that risk of that sketchy repair, what if you had a glue gun that had a cord that could stretch all the way to your flying field? You can and fix it right there. Well, ladies and gentlemen, such a thing does exist. Ryobi's most epic invention, yes. This is not some type of dream or fantasy or prototype or concept. This, ladies and gentlemen, exists right today. You can go to your authorized or unauthorized Ryobi dealership and purchase your own cordless hot glue gun. This is by far the most epic invention ever. So now, when you go to the flying field, you can take this, put it in your car, and when you have that repair you need to make, just turn it on, wait a minute or two, and boom, fixed and flying without that sketchy repair that comes off mid-flight. So, I have been so impressed with this. I mean, this is just so cool, even beyond RC airplanes. This by far is one of the coolest, most original ideas that Ryobi's had. And yet it's so simple. I mean, a hot glue gun. I mean, how simple is that? But nobody else has done it that I can see. I might be wrong. There might be somebody else out there, but I haven't seen one. I mean, not like this. And I've got pretty much everything else Ryobi makes. I mean, I've got the drills, I've got freaking multi-tools, saws, jigsaws, vacuum cleaners, and they're all awesome. And what's really cool is that they all use the same battery pack. So, I've already had the battery packs, bought the glue gun. I think it was only like 25, 30 bucks, something like that. So it's not much money. And, might as well go ahead and get all their other great products because they really are fantastic for the money. And even outside the money, even compared against DeWalt and Akita and all them, they're pretty darn decent. And they may not be the best in the business, but they have the best value in the business. And they have the most number of weird gadgets that are incredibly useful that they have. I mean, it's really awesome. So I just thought I'd share that with you, because if you're like me and you have a lot of planes that you tend to abuse, having that remote hot glue gun is epic. So another episode, and stay flying, or at least hot gluing, right?